Okay, my beautifuls, I'm gonna show you how to make one of these or this into this. Broken carbon fiber bike, leftover shit into one of these. Wait, I think I should pick a better spot. 1 second. Blah. Show you how to make it into a beam bike. Let's get started. Because I made these and the glue in there next to the heater is helping it dry better. There's a load of shit I found. Sorry, this is a load of stuff I found online. This was a kind of a broken carbon fiber bike. You can't see it there, but the rim was breaking. I'm gonna have to fix that. This rim here, you can see there was some break, probably hit a curb. I'm gonna be fixing that and some other skips and brokes. Same with this thing here. Probably gentleman fell over. It was cracked there and this whole thing was kind of flexing in. And this one had a little crack there, maybe over time. I found that at a local bike shop and he just gave it to me. And I just put these things on. That I'm gonna have to smooth up or not, whatever. Already fixed it. And this I just bought it on eBay, an eBay fork for I think it was £30. The only problem is that is a very big reservoir for this shaft that's very small. I don't think it's gonna compute, but I'll show you how to get a bearing and figure out how to make that work. And of course I bought this on eBay for £20. Some guy who just repairs or thingies, so jump on eBay and buy yourself some broken carbon fibers. I'm gonna attach this, then I'm gonna cut it from there, cut it from there, cut it from there. This piece is gonna come to here. This piece will probably come to here, make another piece that goes there, and bring that down to here. So the bike will go boom, 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 and boom. Following this, gonna go boom, and it's gonna be like there maybe, and then from there to here. And then from there to there, coming to that area there. So, I think the first step would be is to attach these two, because it'd be way easier if these were connected back. So then I can cut where I need the pieces all to be. It's a lot easier if the whole bike is, connected. Okay, so let's break a leg. So the easiest way to attach this before we wrap some carbon fiber around it to give it that strength back, I am guessing, just get it on the best I can, so super glue. And just use normal super glue to glue it back on, but I've discovered this beautiful thing, some miter, super miter. It's just acetone or acrylic, whatever. When you spray this on this, it just solidifies instantly. Time saver. So also that works on any other super glue and the super glue that comes with it. Life hack or life easy hack. So let's figure out how to best. Try and be careful of your fingers, because carbon fiber is quite sharp and could pierce your hand. And that's the best I can get it. It's not going to be perfect, but it will be something. Oh, fuck. Alright, that's going to fall apart. Get some tape. Just keep it in place in areas that's just going to want to come away on me. Okay, now I'm gonna pop a couple of doubles of this on it and try and keep it together as best as I can. just around the seam. It's not going to give it massive amount of strength, but okay, that dried. Careful of your fingers, shit gets sticky quick. Okay, we put some here. Okay, a little bit more there. It's still. So as you can see, she is kind of holding. If I put a lot of strain, it will crack again, but she's holding. Not enough to hold your body weight. A lot of the white starts to appear because I think when the chemical reaction is happening, this happens. I can show you how to clean this. Just rub some acetone, nail varnish remover over it. But if it's going to be wrapped under the carbon, forget about it. Dry to the touch. Now, let me show you without it. I'm gonna blow on it. Still gelatinous, yeah? Now, if I just rub this on it. I'm blowing on it. Dry to the touch. Beautiful stuff. Now, there are some holes. There are some holes and voids that the super glue is not going to fill. So, flux. Sorry, not flux, what's it called? Silicon powder and some graphite powder, and I mix these together. One, it makes it very strong, and two, it dries very quick as well. Paper. Go to your local coffee shops and steal loads of these little spoony things. They're amazing. Cheap and easy and free. Okay, done, and oops, wrong one. Drop a bit of super glue. Bit of graphite powder. A little bit of silicone. You can use one, but I bought it, I want to use it. It is a lot stronger with that though. And what it forms is a nice thick goopy bit. And result is actually really stiff, it's really strong, but just like grab strength wise, minutes, then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna sand the area down just to smoothen it up, because then when I apply the carbon fiber to re-strengthen it around before I start cutting it up, we'll okay, I'm back, all super dry, some bits and stuff. Ow! Like I said, it's sharp. Sand it down. Grab yourself some sandpapers. Oops, one's on the floor. Again, sandpaper, get yourself a block. Use some spray adhesive, wrap it around the block. 3 sanding blocks. Be right back. If you've got one of these, I highly recommend it, because it'll come in handy later and it's exhausting. But if you got this, keep going. Use that grease. But if you got one of these, what can I say? I'm old. I'm sorry. Look at me. I'm great. I'm great. Okay. respirator. Sorry, I forgot. Ugh. So this is absolutely perfect. Smoothness wise, there's a little bit bumps in here. There are some. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So this is really smooth. It's really nice. There are some discrepancies, as in some voids, some holes. Now I could wrap this and then sand. I could wrap this with some carbon fiber and epoxy, give it the strength. But the problem is, the carbon fiber is very unforgiving on voids and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make some epoxy thickened, and I'm gonna smooth as much as I can down. Cause like there's a like crazy bump. It's all there. It's not important, but it just makes the knock-on steps a lot more easier. So let's whip up some epoxy, some silicone, micro balloons, whatever, to thicken it up. And then I'll put it on here.